Hello, kids. How are you? How are you doing? Wow, look. It's great. I got this PowerPoint for you guys. I hope you like it. Okay, we're going to go with the ing verbs. Okay, we went through last week. We're going to do it this week. You're going to love this. Okay, now it's spelling adding ing to verbs. Okay, very simple. Look, adding ing looks how easy to these words. Follow up. See plus ing. What do we have? Seen. Go plus ing. We got going. Eat plus ing. We got eating. Look plus ing. We got looking. Say plus ing. Saying. Wow, that's very simple. Okay, now have I got to add in ing to these words? Have I got adding? Let's see, help, helping, yes. Say, saying, meet, yep, meeting, walk, walking. Did you get them right? I hope so. It was very simple. Well done. Now, let's go for the next one. Here's some more words that end with ing. Talking, pushing, pulling, jumping, playing. Great, huh? Forgot buying when you buy things. Well, let's move on, okay? All right, let's see. Words ending in E are a bit more tricky. Well, let's find out. Make, ing, make, baba E. We put ing, making. There we go. Another one. Take plus ing. Goodbye E. Taking. Can you see what is happening? Great, huh? For word ends in E, you must drop the E before adding ing. Now, have I got adding ing to these words? Right. Let's see. Writing. Let's see. Smile. Which one you think? Smiling. Very good. Come. Coming. Great. Yep, you're right. Loving. Did you get them right? Of course you do. Well done. All right, let's go for another one. Here are some more words that have an E before you add ing. Drive, driving, like, ride, riding, hate, hating, ouch. Decide, deciding, care, caring. Well, can you think of any more? There's plenty of them right there. Okay, let's move on. Now, adding ing to words that have a short vowel. These words have short vowel sound in the middle. Watch what happens. Run plus ing. Run. Another n. ing. Yeah, we have to add up the last consonant. Okay, shop plus ing. Shopping. Okay, look, one thing is that I pronounce running both ends, shopping, those two P's. So we have to write it down too. Okay. If the word has a short vowel, then you must add a double letter before the ing. Great, let's try it. Have a go at adding ing to these words. Remember the short vowel. Shut. Shutting. Very good. Slip. Sleep. Slipping. Win. Winning. Sit. Sitting. Great. Did you get them right? I know you did. Well done. Okay, here are some more words that need a double letter before adding ing. Okay, clap, clapping, plan, plan, chat, chatting, swim, swimming, hop, hopping, night, nighting. Can you think of any more? No, I think you have plenty of them. So remember, must words just add ing. Words ending in e drop the e before adding ing, and words with a short vowel need a double letter before adding ing. Well done. Okay, great. Well, I hope you like it. Okay. Now look, this is the worksheet that I'm going to send you. Okay. Now look, we have the activity, listen, smell, taste, see, cut, hurt. And down below, you have to write down, like over here, listening. Write me down, okay, the verb plus ing, okay? Smelling, tasting, seeing, cutting, hurting. Number 1, red. Number 2, purple. Number 3, blue. Number 4, yellow. Number 5, brown. Well, I think it's very fun. All right, very simple. And since class is almost over, the course is almost over, okay, this is plenty of work for you guys, okay? Just try to have fun, color it right, okay? Make it fun to do and have a great time. Well, guys, boys and girls, love you guys. Thank you for watching me one more day. Glad to be here with all of you and send lots of kisses, lots of hugs, and hopefully I will see you very soon. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye and take good care of you. Bye.